For this project, what I want to do is create some more fireflies, but use the garden night light. That way it can just keep recharging itself. Right now it's got a white light on there, but I want to add a string of yellow flickering lights and see how many of these I can operate. Now, this is the current waveform that it's outputting. So it's on and off about 50% of the time. And if I can get the frequency, boy, this thing just keeps swamping it. There we go. Frequency is around 200 something kilohertz. So it's going to actually just appear on all the time. Well, we'll see what happens. First thing I need to do is remove the LED. I'm pretty sure this is the positive side. Fresh solder always helps. Kind of missed. And then I'll wiggle it out. Quick check to make sure I got the polarity right. Using the diode tester, so the ground side. And now that I've verified my cathode is on the right side and my anode is the red wire, I can now see what will happen with the flashing LEDs. Not flashing, flickering. And this thing doesn't look like it's flickering. But I kind of thought that might happen because it's only on half the time. I'm now going to hook it up to my power supply and see what it's supposed to look like. So, this obviously isn't going to allow it to flicker. I've got my bench supply hooked up and it's now flickering quite nicely. And that's mainly because when you saw the waveform, it's only on 50% of the time. Every time it goes off, it resets the little thingy in here that makes the flickering. So I'm either going to have to live with just a straight yellow, or I got to figure out how to make this thing flicker. Well, if you want to use a flickering LED and actually have it flicker, all you need to do is add two components. A Schottky diode, though you could use a regular diode, you'd just have a bit more of a voltage drop in here. And a capacitor. It's not going to produce have a lot of current on this side, but it doesn't take much to get this thing to flicker, and if you're using it outside at night, that's plenty. So with that waveform there, you figure it's about 50%. That's charging up the capacitor, and some's going to the LED. It actually stabilizes quite nicely at 2.5 volts. There's a bit of ripple in there, but we don't care about a little bit of ripple on something like this. If you add another 470 microfarads here, the ripple actually even goes down a bit more. But this is a quick solution to being able to use the LEDs that actually have a tiny bit of I'm not sure what they have in there, but essentially they do need to keep constant voltage and current to keep running. Now, I've already done this one. I'm going to kill the lights. There we go. It's flickering a bit. So it kind of looks like a real pumpkin. And the other one, nice little skeleton. And this one here, I'll actually probably just turn into my little firefly out there. I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to house it yet, since we're now in the rainy season. But not too bad. At least you can customize your decorations outside. Have a good day. Bye.